If you're developing on Roblox and you made an animation in Blender that you want to put into Roblox Studio, all you need to do is a few simple steps. So let's get the whole thing set up. So the first thing you want to do is go to the link in the description and click on the Blender R6IK model. And then you just want to click download right here. And then for the texture, it's going to look like this, and you want to click download up here. If you click the link in the description for the Blender Animation Importer plugin, that should take you to this link, Blender Rig Exporter / Animation Importer. It's a plugin by den_s, and all you want to do is click the big blue button that says put it in your inventory, and then you'll have it. So you want to click on the paste bin link, and then that'll take you to this text document. What you want to do is you want to right click and then click save as. Now that is going to take you to your downloads folder automatically. So what you want to do is click this drop down menu that says save as type, and then you want to change that to all files. And then what you want to do is rename it to rbxanimations.py, and then you want to click save. After that, it'll show up in this corner here and tell you that it's downloaded, and then you're ready to add it to Blender. Alright, so once you've got that Python file installed, all you want to do is go to edit, and then you want to go to preferences, and then you want to click install. Then we go to our downloads where we just downloaded the Roblox animations, and then we press install add-on. And then we click the check mark to make sure it's enabled. So now that we're in Blender here, we can go to File, and we can click Open, and then we want to open the R6IK_1.blend file. Now, as you can see, the texture is not actually added yet, so you can't see it. But that's super simple. All you need to do is click down here, and then you want to click Shader Editor. And then you want to scroll in with your mouse and then click down the middle mouse button and move it, and make sure that you open image and then select the R666 image and click open image again. And that should fix your texture. Now you want to go back and make sure that it's selected to dope sheet again. Then what you want to do is click on this thin black line to make sure that all of this is highlighted here. And then where it says object mode up here, you want to change that to say pose mode. And that will show you a bunch of red and blue boxes that you can move around. So in order to start your posing, there's a little arrow up there that when you click it, it shows up with all of this helpful information. So if you click the move tool, you can move this by using the arrow keys. If you click the rotate tool, you can rotate it on all of these different axes. And if you click scale, you can make it bigger or smaller. So the first thing that we want to do is make our pose. I'm just going to do a quick little waving pose. So now that I have my simple waving animation done, all I want to do is click export animation. So then you want to open a base plate in Roblox Studio, and then what you want to go ahead and do is search for an R6 rig, and then select this R6 rig. And then what we want to go ahead and do is the plugins tab. We want to click on the Blender animations, and it'll say select rig model. We select this one. And then we want to click import animation, and that will open up a different window here. What we want to press is Control or Command if you're on Mac, but that button and then the V key as in Victor. So Control V to paste our animation, and boom, the animation should automatically start playing. And then you can play with all the settings here, like if you want the loaded animation to repeat or not, or just do once. You can restart it. And finally, the thing that you definitely want to do is upload this animation to Roblox. After that, Roblox is going to ask you to name that animation, and you can just call it whatever you want and then click the save button. And that's how to import your Blender animation into Roblox Studio. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment down below if this helped you out. Thank you so much for watching.